Example number 3. Say under this example number 3, we are going to solve by using the identity number 4. So, identity that is a plus b into a minus b as a square minus b square. So, here we are utilizing this identity and we are going to solve the condition which is nothing but n plus 1 into n minus 1 into n square plus 1. So, here we have to solve this condition by utilizing this identity that is a plus b into a minus b as a square minus b square. So, here the solution starts. So, in our solution we have to find out the product of all these three expressions, that is n plus 1 and n minus 1, and the third expression is of n square plus 1. So, here that implies, so first of all I want to find the product of the first two expressions, because first two expressions are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A stands for n and b stands for here 1, and here a minus b, that is n minus 1, a is of n again and b is of 1. So, here we can utilize the formula or the identity that is a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Then now, so here n plus 1 into n minus 1, then into n square plus 1, so equals to. So, first of all I am going to what I say, utilize these two. So, here by comparing, so a must be replaced by means of n and b must be replaced by means of 1. So, a by means of n and b by means of 1. So, here at a is equals to n and b is equals to 1. So, the product of first two terms will be of. So, here a plus b into a minus b as a square, a is of n, that is n whole square, minus b is of 1, that is 1 whole square within the brackets. But this last expression, that is n square plus 1, must be written as it is. So, here n square plus 1, because we have simplified only the first two brackets. So, here with the help of, by using a plus b into a minus b identity as the result as a square minus b square. So, n plus 1 into n minus 1 can be written as, so n whole square minus 1 whole square as per a square minus b square. So, that equals to n square within bracket written as it is, 1 square value 1 repeatedly multiplied twice, 1 into 1 is of 1. Then now into, so here n square plus 1, that is the third expression, is copied as it is. Then now I am going to perform the multiplication of these two. So, by utilizing the same formula, that is a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square, because a stands for n square in this place and b stands for here 1 in this place, and a as n square and b as 1. So, here I am going to utilize the same formula once again, that is a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So, now that implies this condition can also be written as the product, say the symbol is of into in between. So, here a into b can be written as b into a. I am going to shuffle, I want to write this one in the front, that is n square plus 1 into n square minus 1. So, here a must be replaced by means of n square and b must be replaced by means of 1, and again a by means of n square, b by means of 1, then the result will be of. To get the result, so here we have to replace. So, here at a is equals to n square and b is equals to 1. By replacing these values in this result, so here a square, so a is of n square, but it must be squared as per a square in the identity, minus b square, b is of 1, so here 1, but it must be squared because it is of b square. Then that is equals to, it is in the form of a power m whole power n type. So, a to the power of m into n, that is n 2, bracket indicates into 2 must be multiplied with this 2, minus 1 square value 1 1 is of 1. Here I have utilized the identity, that is a power m whole power n, that is equals to a power m bracket n, that is m into n. So, here m stands for 2 and n stands for 2. So, here m into n in the result. So, here 2 into 2 as the result here in the logical step which I have wrote. So, here that implies, or that equals to n to the power of 2 2 is of 4 minus 1 is the result. So, in this manner, so I got, hence by multiplying the three expressions n plus 1 into n minus 1 into n square plus 1, the result is of n to the power of 4 minus 1. So, here, so n plus 1 into n minus 1 into n square plus 1 is equals to n to the power of 4 minus 1 as per the result. So here n plus 1 into n minus 1 into n square plus 1 is equals to n to the power of 4 minus 1. So here n plus 1, the product of three expressions n plus 1 into n minus 1 into n square plus 1, the value is of n to the power of 4 minus 1. So this is the result which we got by multiplying the three expressions.